So you know, the little pine, me I drink pine and ginger. But I can't wait to bring her to the beach so that, you know, she can store her stuff in this.
Money for my brain, money for my brain, dog. Money for my brain, money for my brain.
Hi, thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I'll be doing a PatPat haul, and it's a mixture of like nightwear. Alright, introduce the video. Are you finished? Yes. Okay. Yeah, so that's what's in the package, alright? Yeah, so I already went ahead and Lysol the package. I'm just going to Lysol the items as soon as we get started, alright? Look. So we got a little happy holidays thingy here. And there's a bunch of stickers. And the thing to put over the camera. No, it's not for eating, mommy. Come, give it back to mommy. All right, you can keep your stickers. All right, so we're going with the first one, which is, it was one of my favorite things that, you know, I ordered because my daughter tends to gravitate towards things with dinosaurs. So she has a dinosaur toy, some dinosaur cars. But if you can see, this is a onesie. No, you pin up here. And the material is actually really, it's thick enough, right? Especially for our climate. It's 12 to 18 months. My daughter is now 1 year and 1 month. We'll just size it up and see how it looks on her. Come, stand up, mommy. Alright, so let me hold her up. So you see, it has a good amount of length so that she can actually grow into it, right? So the next item, and I really love this when I saw it on the site, right? Again, the material is actually really nice. No, you don't think the material is nice? Come, let's put the dress. All right, you don't want to? That's okay. All right, so we have this dress, and like I said, I really and truly love the material. We have this one. When I ordered this, I thought that it would have been like a 2-piece. I didn't expect it to be a onesie. So the material is okay, right? But I wished it was like a 2-piece. But yeah, it's and she'll have room in this for her to actually grow in this, and it's 12 to 18 months as well. This, I'm actually happy for the type of material that this is. Let's see, what we call it, jeans, but you know, something like with a denim look. I think it's really cute, and she'll actually have space in this to grow. Come, that we've sized this up on you for them to have a better idea. Can mommy have this? No? Okay. Alright, so you see, it actually has space for her to grow into it. We have this one. It's another dress. Oh, it has a belt with it. Okay. I like it. I was just expecting like different, I don't know, maybe the colors do seem bright on camera, but like in person, or it's maybe because I'm blind, probably not have on my glasses, but they seem brighter on camera than what I'm seeing right now. So it has a little belt. You want to measure this up with you? No, don't eat this, mama. No, it's not for eating. You want to measure this up on you? You want to try on that? Come. Alright, come. Come, let's just show them how well. So Mother Mary. Oh my. cute little sandals for you to wear that with, mama. Yeah, can't wear that. So what you do with the other bag? All right, so this is another onesie, and it's a sleepwear, and I think it's really nice. The material is great as well, and she have a little girl for growing at this, but this is really cute with the elephant on the front. She has a pair of leggings, right? You can't go wrong with a pair of black leggings, right? She have enough growing at this. It's stretch, right? So this was like an excellent purchase. And I think we have the last item, which is okay. All right, so yeah, she's showing you the leave the light. So we have the final item, which is a swimsuit. You know, the little pine. Me, I drink pine and ginger. But I can't wait to bring her to the beach so that, you know, she can store her stuff in this. I don't think there's anything else. We went through all of the items. Yeah, leave the Lysol. Alright, so as you can see, Zai, well, by now most of you probably know as Meep. Zai won't stay still for this video, so trust me, PatPat is like the Shein for babies, right? They have really nice things. The quality is great most of the times, so you can check them out. All right, bye.